Black Friday shoppers are out and about right now. Look at this. Sarah Hollenbeck is at one store in Overland Park where some people hunted for deals all night long. She's joining us live this morning. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're here at Kohl's where they opened last night, but they tell me that they had a huge line, about an hour and a half wait at these cash registers. As you can see now, it's pretty much cleared out. There's a couple shoppers coming in to look for good deals, and I'm going to walk you over here to show you just a couple. You see they've got their balloons out and they've got their Black Friday deals signs. So a couple of people perusing through here trying to find the best deals. Now, last year, about 141 million Americans shopped on Black Friday, and they saved an average of $200 each. I'm told the biggest seller here at Kohl's last night, TVs as well as iPods and tablets. Those were the biggest ones, and they got some pretty darn good deals as well. Now, we are right across the street from Best Buy, which opens later this morning, and we're going to go check in with them in just about 30 minutes. Reporting live here at the Kohl's store on Metcalf, I'm Sarah Hollenbeck, 41 Action News.